Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, so we are back online. Our internet is fixed, and fires are over. Santa Ana winds are over, and we should be good, I think, for a while. We're expecting winds today. We're expecting a little bit of warmer weather, but nothing like we had last week that blew out the internet, blew out our phones and everything else. So we are safe. Everything's good. Just wanted to update you guys. I will be doing videos. I'm going to be a little bit busy today. I'm going to try to get a video up later on tonight. I have my granddaughters today. So say hi. That was one. So we are going to have some fun today. And then I'm going to try to get some videos up, and probably starting either today or tomorrow, there's going to be a series of videos coming. I have a lot to show you guys. I have the hot dog video coming. I haven't done the hot dogs yet. I probably am going to be dehydrating some pineapple. I will be canning beans, carrots. Oh goodness, what else? I'm going to try to get some green beans. I'm going to try to get some corn to do. And I know most of those things are things that I have up already, but I'm going to do a little twist on them, so not to worry. And then my major video that I really want to do, because I get a lot of questions all the time, is the debate on canning rings. Should you keep them on? Should you keep them off? A lot of people send me questions about that all the time through my email, thecanningnana@gmail.com, if you have any questions. And I will tell you what I do and why, and also show you some of my pantry. So we have all of that coming. It is a beautiful day here. Let's show you some beautiful blue skies. It's absolutely gorgeous here today. Just beautiful. So where are you going to start the day? And put it down. And then I'm going to try to do a video. In fact, I think I will do a video. I think we're going to walk down to the beach later, and it'll be a different beach, and maybe take a video out there of our beach and pier and things, a different one than I normally do. So, I think I will take a short video over there and show you. Okay, so that's it for now. I do have my garden going over there. It's kind of done. I have some tomatoes right here. We have to get them planted. Watch out.
Do you still have Chelsea tomatoes?
We have no Chelsea tomatoes right now. So this is what I have, the extent of my garden so far. We got to get all of this tilled and some good dirt put in here. But I do have basil and pumpkin. And over here I have asparagus. I don't know if you can see that, but the asparagus is down there. But all these leaves have to get out of here. This is what the wind did last week. And here we have our orange trees. It's pretty cool. So, and my potting bench is over here. Oh, so now that life is getting a little bit back to normal, and my husband is doing very well. May have to do another surgery, but it's an elective surgery, and it'll be okay. And there's no worries about that one. So, yeah, thank you all for your prayers and your good thoughts and good wishes, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will be back with some more videos, and we'll get this going again. Okay, so sorry for the delay. I couldn't do much because we had no internet. So now that the internet is back, I am back. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.